And I forgot the last one. I treated myself for my birthday back in October, and I got myself a rounding hammer. What is it? Tosaky, USA. I like this baby. You can find it at your local farrier shop. What I really like about these ones is the shape of the handle. It fits really nice with my hand. Got a nice weight to it. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. Yeah. Nice hammer. Done quite a bit of forging with this so far. I was really excited. So you got, yeah, a little birthday present for myself. Not to buy a whole lot of stuff. Like, I broke my #1 rule and bought tools. I was pretty disappointed in myself because I wanted to make everything. That was my whole point of starting blacksmithing, was to be more self-sufficient, make my own tools. But I found it was really difficult too, starting out, just trying to make all your own things. It takes a lot of time, and so I got, well, my fiance got me a nice set of tongs and a hammer to start out. So I got a couple hammers and tongs that work really well, and it's really helped me improve my forging skills, because it's really hard when you make a set of tongs and it doesn't want to hold your stock very well, and it's going all over the place. So I recommend you do get a couple nice things for yourself. It'll help out, and then go from there. And I'm still gonna continue trying to improve in making my own tools now as best as I can until I get it down. And the good thing too, if you want, you can always sell them after too, if you want to just use your own things. But I find it's good to have something to base your work off of too. It's nice having something to look at and then trying to make it as good as that, if not better. And if you can surpass that, you'll be doing really well. you gotta support others as well. I like trying to support my local blacksmiths too, like the EBS. Really, they got some nice quality tools.